This is Daily Trivia. 10 questions. Let's begin. What is the main ingredient in tamagoyaki often served as sushi? That's right, egg. Which of these cocktails is traditionally made with the rolling technique, where ingredients are gently mixed between two glasses? Boom, correct. Bloody Mary. Which classic cocktail is traditionally served in a coupe glass and consists of gin, lemon juice, simple syrup, and egg white? That's right, whiskey sour. In Germany, Brötchen are a popular breakfast staple. What are they? That's right, small, crusty rolls. Which herb, often used in Italian cuisine, is known for its distinct licorice-like flavor? Nailed it! Fennel! What is the primary function of a ricer? A kitchen gadget often used in the preparation of mashed potatoes. That's right, to remove lumps and create a smooth texture. Which of these pasta dishes became a popular meme in the late 2010s due to its simplicity and frequent appearance in student meal prep videos? Boom, correct. Aglio e olio. In which country would you most likely encounter arepas? A type of cornbread often filled with cheese, meat, or eggs, being eaten for breakfast. That's right, Venezuela. What is the name for the holes found in Swiss cheese, which are created by carbon dioxide gas released by bacteria during the aging process? Correct, eyes. What is the key ingredient that gives black garlic its distinctive flavor profile, used often in Korean cuisine? Nailed it! Fermentation. If you scored 8 or higher, you're sharp. Come back tomorrow.